Tables are an easy way to manage your data. Suppose, for example, that this is my platform. And in my platform, I want to do two things. I want to manage two kinds of data. I want to manage the data of the users that subscribe and that can log in into my platform. And also, because it is a platform that is providing a service, basically this is a coaching and learning platform, personalized, with AI. So I also want that users, when they take sessions, users are able to take sessions, but also I want that the sessions are saved and stored so that each user, when they log in again, then they can access to the old sessions that they have already started before. In this case, I want to create various kinds of tables. The first table is actually very simple. It is the users table, where I can add the information of each user, like for instance their ID, when they created their profile, what is their name, their email. And then I want to create a lot of other kinds of tables, and this might be a little bit more complex. Because I want to create a journeys table where I can store the information of what learning journeys my user started. I want to create a journey sessions table where I can store the information of what sessions within each journey my user started. And I want to create a user journey progress to ensure that I can also track what is the progress of the users throughout the different sessions, so that users can only start sessions progressively. And finally, I also want to create a table called the coaching sessions that is going to store the transcripts of the coaching sessions that my users had with the AI assistant. In Supabase, there are two ways to do this. There is the option to create a table through the table editor, and there is also the option to create tables through the SQL editor, importing an SQL code. For this project, we will use the SQL editor to create most of the tables, but for the user login, we will actually explore another option that is the so-called Supabase authentication. That is a built-in login system that lets users sign up and sign in securely, so that we don't need to build password or user management systems ourselves. So this is exactly what we need. We can click to explore auth and start creating the system.